ladies and gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, and my billionaire and millionaire buddies. Thank you for coming to this press conference at such short notice. I want to clarify my policies. Corporations are people, true. And as president I will make sure they, like the upper 1% of Americans, will never have to pay taxes again. I like being able to fire people who provide services to me. I love watching the little guy self-implode when he can no longer pay his bills. Glad I never had to worry about that. I'm not concerned about the very poor. We have a safety net there. Social Security pays an ample $255 to bury them. Besides, overpopulation is a global problem I want to fix. Obama says we need more firemen, more policemen, more teachers. Waste of money. We need more billionaires, which is why I am eliminating taxes for millionaires. I should tell my story. I'm also unemployed. Actually, I've never needed to be employed. I have more money offshore than Saudi Arabia has oil. Tax-free money. I believe in an America where millions of Americans believe in an America that's the America millions of Americans believe in. Believe me. Really. Honest Injun. I'll take a lot of credit for the fact that this industry, automobile, has come back. The bailout was a failure, so obviously their comeback is because I'm from Michigan. My wife drives a couple of Cadillacs. God forbid we should drive something the average American could afford. That would depress me. Can't wait to ride in that presidential limo. I see my time is up. Have to go feed the gays to the Christians. See you all on the campaign trail. Buzzing.